So in this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok upload problem. So if you have any problem with uploading on TikTok, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. So there is actually two ways to fix this problem. The first way, open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is search for TikTok like this, and then wait a few seconds, scroll all the way until you find the TikTok, and when you find it, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back, click on the data usage here, and make sure that all those options are enabled right here. After that, the second way is you have to go to the Play Store, search for TikTok, and click on update. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.